In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to edit your digital CMA layout to get it ready for your bulk send. An admin user will need to go to the engine, into your digital gateways, and they will need to configure the digital CMA, and this will be the look for the whole account. The first thing you'll be able to do inside your header component is click into the main headline. You're able to click till you see your cursor flashing, and you're able to change any text you want in your headline. Please do not delete the suburb or state, as they are the merge tags. You can move them and copy them into a different position, and you can change the text before and after if required. You then can do the exact same for your subheading. Down below the text that you have here, you'll be able to make any changes you require for your account. Do not remove the company name. When you're finished, simply click out of the fields to save your changes. The next thing you'll be able to edit is your logo at top right. You can see in the logo section, the width of this is 200 pixels, but you can up this if you want to make that bigger, and you can pull it back down to the default 200. The main thing you'll need to edit though is the image, and make this an image that will suit your area and your office. To do this, you'll hit the upload option and pick an image from your computer. It is important that the image you upload has a height of 1444 pixels high and 820 pixels wide. So that is 1444 pixels high by 820 pixels wide. Once you have finished editing those four components inside the header, you'll be able to move into the next one, your market analysis. There is not too much we need you to edit in this particular area. The one thing you will need to do is change the wording on the button. If you do not like book appointment, you can click into the button label and type in your own word to be on that particular button. Once you have changed the word, you then go into your agent bio. Now the agent bio is going to show all of the agent details. There is nothing to edit here as it will use your agent information from your profile. And if you do not want this on, you simply turn this off and it will not show in the digital CMA. By default, this will be on, and the only thing you can do here is turn it off or leave it on. The final component is your footer. And inside your footer, just like the header, you'll be able to edit the standard text inside the box that we have here. Editing this and making sure that you don't delete the company name, and when you're finished you can click outside the box for that to be saved. You can also see there is Get Your Price Update, and there is another paragraph box below. If you would like to add some text below that heading, you can do that here and click out to save it. You'll also have the ability to change the book appointment wording, and you can use that in the button label option here, and you will make that match the top button if you have changed that. The logo width is set to 150. If you would like to make this bigger, simply drag it and you can see it changing inside the box there. Once you have finished making all of the changes to your Office CMA design, simply hit the Save and Close option at the top right of the screen. Second part to getting your CMA bulk delivery ready is to go into the engine, into your templates, and to edit the standard text of your CMA email and SMS that will be delivered to your clients. By typing CMA, inside the email you will see one called Welcome Email. Click the Edit option. This will open up the template. If you would like to change the image, you can hit the Edit option. In the image area, you can pick a new image and upload that to take place of the one that we have put in there as a default. Once that is uploaded, you can then use the Save button to save your new image. The second two are paragraph and they're simply text. You click the Edit option to change the heading and then save that widget, and you'll be able to hit the Edit option to change the text that is delivered to your vendor. Once you have finished making your changes, simply hit the Save widget option, and if you would like to change the wording on the button, hit the Edit option. In the button 1, change the button text. Please do not edit the button URL at all. Once you have finished editing the text, hit the Save widget option. When you have finished editing all areas of your email, hit Save and Close Template. The next one to edit, if you are going to send SMS, is the SMS. And in the SMS, you'll type CMA, you will find the Welcome SMS, and you will hit Edit. Remember, the purpose of the SMS is to be short, sharp, with the URL on the last line. So please do not edit where the CMA URL is located. You will edit the text above this and do not edit any of the green merge tags. Once you have finished rewording your SMS, simply hit the Save option. Now that you have edited the CMA design, the email and SMS templates, the final step is to go into the properties database and find your test property that you put in during the other tutorial we sent you, and click onto that particular property, and in the Lifecycle CMA, send yourself the email and the SMS to check that you are happy with what your clients will receive. Once you have finished testing, you are now in a position to start booking the date and time of your bulk sending. There will be a form that you will need to fill out and submit to our team, and we will then configure the bulk send to your pipeline. The way the automation will work is it will go into your properties database and it will search for anyone that you have in your property that is in the status of a potential or is an appraisal. And in this particular test database, you can see that I have 23 properties in the pipeline. It will then, on the date and time you select, send an SMS to all of these owners using your CMA template. It will merge and send from the agent who is assigned to the property for all of the properties that you have in the database. You can see on the screen a sample SMS that is going. The email will follow the exact same steps by finding the exact same properties, and it will send an email to all of the owners. The email will be the CMA welcome email, and it will then use their property address inside of that email to tell them they have a market analysis for their property. It will also send from the agent who is assigned to the record, and it will be automated at the date and the time you choose. The final part before you start your bulk sending is to make sure that all of your agents have gone to their dashboard and edited their dashboard to put in the new CMA appointment widget. We would suggest putting this at the top and then saving the dashboard so that they can see all of the appointments that are booked visually when they log in. However, your agents will always get an alert of every CMA appointment request that is booked through the CMA page, and they will be alerted whenever a CMA report is opened. To check you have those triggers on, make sure you go into the engine, into your triggers, and the CMA appraisal requested, you must edit and make sure it's active and save. And the CMA page view, you must edit, make sure it's active and save. We look forward to you getting amazing results with your first digital CMA bulk send.